Oh my God. Let me show you what I got.
Traffic Lancer on 24 on the roll. Everything looks good. That's the ready to climb out of runway. Here coming. Continuing the climb. Flaps coming up. And flat's coming up.
Starboard 342, Dover Melton, making that right teardrop, entering for the left downwind runway 23.
Creek traffic, Lancer, and left downwind for 24.
No problem, Tim. Venice traffic, Twin Star 342, Dover Melton, entering the left downwind runway 23 and 45.
You're coming down. Creek traffic, Lancer, and left base, gear down. Creek traffic, Lancer, on final 424, Creek traffic. Full flaps. Alright, let's put this down nice and pretty. Creek traffic, Lancer on short final for 24, Creek traffic.
Good shot, Gary.
Thanks. Felt good. Creek traffic, Lancer, clear the active.